So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix Spotify application not working in Windows 11. So if your Spotify application is not opening or it's not responding or it is causing any kind of issue, what you have to do, you have to go to search and then search Spotify. When you search Spotify, right click on it and then click on app settings. When you click on app settings, then you'll see the Spotify app settings. Now the thing you have to do is you have to just click on reset so that your application can be resetted, and when you reset the application you have to log in it again, but repair guys is not needed if you are just resetting the application. So yeah, now the application is resetted right now, and now it's also removed from the taskbar, and then you can just click on it and then you can always give it the permission to run in the background. So now if you did that, just close it, then search Spotify again and try to open it, and this time it will open. But still if it is not opening guys, what you can do is you can just go to Microsoft Store. When you go to Microsoft Store, you just have to search Spotify here. Let me search Spotify. When I search Spotify here, as you guys can see, this is the application and we have to reinstall it right there. So if you want to reinstall it, first we have to remove it. Go to add or remove programs. Then you have to go to Spotify here and then click on uninstall, and it will uninstall Spotify from your PC. And when the app is uninstalled, you can just search Spotify again in Microsoft Store and you can install it again. So right now I am installing it again, and by now the application will start working smoothly in your PC. As you guys can see, it is downloading right now, and when it gets downloaded I'll show you if it is running or not. Yep, this application is downloaded. I will click on open and now the application will work fine. If still it doesn't working, then restart your PC, and if restarting your PC doesn't help, comment down below guys what problem you are facing. I will try my best to solve it in the comment section.